Hi, my name is Shrikant. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to see how to upgrade your laptop HDD to SSD. So most of the laptops will comes with HDD, where you can see some kind of issues. The performance issues, there will be some lags. So if you are facing same kind of issues, then you can upgrade your laptop from HDD to SSD. So currently I have a Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 3, which is i5 and 10th generation. When I'm using this laptop, I see it was running too slow, so I want to upgrade this laptop to SSD. Currently I want to upgrade this laptop to SSD, and the memory is of 250 GB. And let's open this laptop and let's see how to remove HDD and how to insert SSD. So to replace HDD from SSD, you need to remove these screws backside of your laptop, and for removing the screws I am using this screwdriver, and let's remove the screws. Before opening your laptop, need to ensure that you need to power off your laptop. Otherwise there is a chance that something goes wrong. Your board may be short circuit and your laptop may never work, so be careful about it. I have removed all the screws. Now let me open this case. We want to change this, so let me check whether it is in on condition. It was in on. Let me shut down. I have turned off this laptop, and let's replace this HDD. So make sure you don't mix the screws, keep aside. So you need to carefully remove this. So I just removed. So I can see here this is Toshiba HDD. So now I will replace. So you need to remove this part and you need to insert this like this. So to remove this you need to unscrew this four. Let me unscrew. Keep aside and you insert this SSD. Be careful while inserting, and you can see the SSD will match the screws. You need to keep the screws again back. Make sure the screws are tight. Okay, now insert it back. Keep this back. I have plugged it. Then so here there are 4 screws. I am fitting them. So now everything is back. So if there are any dust particles, try to remove them. And now I am keeping this case back. We have fixed all the screws and our laptop is ready. So currently in this laptop there is no operating system. We need to install operating system. In upcoming video I will show you how to install operating system in your laptop. Okay, we removed this HDD. We can use this as our storage. There will be a one case available in Amazon. I will give the link in description. You can buy it from there and you can use this 1 TB HDD storage.